This is Groovy Space, and today we got a drive up ground floor drive up unit in Melton, Victoria 3337. This is a very big unit. In fact, it's 2 doors from one house to the other end. Okay, we're going to show you the goods. The goods are mostly car parts, motor car parts of various sort. Obviously, the previous guy was into probably selling car parts or repairing cars. No idea. Now, the size of this unit is 4 meter width, 9 meter deep. As you can see, there's the other door there, and 3 meter high. Okay, let's start from here. We got I think you call this an engine mount, 2 ton, or maximum is 2 ton. We got some sort of a trolley, LPG gas tank, which of course require certification. It looks so old. Okay, we'll start from the left, from this corner here. We got a portable fridge, which is a very good brand. I'll show it to you later. The Watt radio, I think that looks like a radio. We will go into the unit now. I'll start from the left and we'll come up and we'll go to the right later. We got a cabinet here. I can see, I think there are stereo set there. Here's the fridge. The brand is Engel. Got a little monkey bike, kids bike. It's a 4-wheel one with 2 trainer wheels, that's what we call. And we got a metal table. There's wheels here, huge. What's the brand of the wheel? Wrangler. Plenty of tread left. 4 red fuel tank, portable fuel carrier tank, plastic one. This must be. And we got more parts here in crates. Alright, I think I'm going to move to the left side right now. Okay, we got a couple of tool boxes. Hey. Okay. All right. And then now we're going to move back to the left side. Right at the top it says Spoilers Primer. It's about 3, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes plus some more here. 13. Probably there's some more on the other side. And we got a whole the frame, the bottom frame of a car. Have a look at the photo. We've taken quite a lot of pictures of the frame before we put this wooden crate back on. Not sure what is the model of the car, but we did found the engine number. In the midst of it, we saw the word "made in Japan" as well. So it must be some sort of Japanese car. And right at the back there, the word IBM there, we believe that is those old computer storage for your mainframe or something like that. And behind there, right there, we see all the door frames of various color. We got garden chairs here, outdoor garden chairs, wheelbarrow here. Okay, so now we're gonna go here. We got a chain. I can see a chainsaw here. Not sure what brand it is. Okay, a Foster fridge. Various car parts again, various kind. Some water containers, sun visor. You can see all the various car parts. All the wirings, sun visor there again. Yep. And then you got a Tonka car. And we got the door panel, more fuel tank. And then we got lights here. Yep, and then we got heaps of steering wheel. Okay, going up the oh no. Here you are. I think this is for your fan, the frame of the fan. Chainsaw again. Foster fridge. The car seat. I think this is all the windows. Windscreen, I think. Or maybe it could be the rear one. Fishing. And we have a ride-on lawn mower here. Looks like it could do with a good. Probably it's fit for parts only. Not sure. Bit rusty. And the brand is Sentinel by Murray. Okay. Kensington. Ken. Okay, and we got a very nice, decent looking, probably never used or hardly used barbecue, 4-burner barbecue, and the brand is Everdure, but it's tinted here. In fact, I don't think it's been used. Okay, and we got a 4-drawer pull-over cabinet. Let me show you some of the tools here for welding. Oh, it's magic. What we got here? We got Black & Decker. This must be called a what? 2-speed drill. We got color. This must be a Makita. Nope. Oh, this is Engel grinder. Hitachi. Not sure what brand this is. It's got 4 of it. Let's see what brand is that. Okay, sander. Various parts. Once again, this is in Melton, Victoria 3337, and once sold, everything to be removed, and I mean everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. Obviously, nothing is tested. It says it's all in parts, and we require a deposit of $400. Because of this size of the unit, we want a $400 cash only deposit. Once you empty the unit, we'll refund you back the $400 cash only deposit. I'm going to go through one more time. I'm going to walk through the other side and end it here. You're more than welcome to come and view the unit, but you may not be able to walk through as we're going to push all this through. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.